pair. So here I'm actually defining a dictionary with 3 items in it. In order to define a dictionary in Python, you have to have curly braces around the entire thing, right? So those are the curly braces you see there. And each of the items, again, is a pair, and the pair is separated by a colon. So it's key, colon, value. In this particular case, the keys are strings and the values are integers. They wouldn't have to be that way, right? So there's some flexibility here. But the reason I'm doing it this way for this problem is I essentially want a separate counter for each school. And so by making the school names the keys, and by making the counts, the values associated with those keys, I'm going to be able to maintain these counters. Now, I haven't shown you yet how you would do this from an arbitrary file. So we'll see that in a minute, okay? So I haven't shown you how to build it from an arbitrary file. But these are just the basics first. There are some restrictions on what you can use here for the keys and the values. So one restriction is the keys must be immutable. So you can have strings as keys, you can have integers as keys, you can have floats as keys. You wouldn't be able to use a list as a key because lists are mutable. But the values can be anything whatsoever, doesn't matter, okay? Now, what's the point of these key-value pairs? Well, the